Hello, welcome back to Erica Capital channel. So as you can see, today I stand in front of the sea. That look like maybe fresh. Really beautiful place, right? And today I will introduce to all of you one real estate joint stock company that lists in Vietnam stock market since 2017. It's 5 years listed in Vietnam stock market. Yeah. So, can you guys guess the right name? Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. So it is. Yeah, VHM, Vinhomes Joint Stock Company. At this time, solid pre-sales outlook, attractive valuation. Yeah, and here you can see. VHM. The price of VHM now is 51,200 Vietnam dong. Yeah, this really cheap price. As you can see in the chart, VHM the highest price is created is 90,600 Vietnam dong per share in the middle of 2021. Here. One year next, we have a discount from 90,600 to 51,200. Extra discount maybe for 45%, 48%. And the movement of VHM prices come to the trading range from 50,600 to 7,600 20 point here. Yeah. This movement of the market we can't predict. But I will show you how attractive at the price, the valuation of VHM at this time. Okay, here. As you can see, this report release written by Mid Thức Thân analysis of Viet Capital Security from 29 August 2022. Yeah, we have a more discount. Okay, the first we need to know what is VHM, what is Vinhome Joint Stock Company. Vinhome's VHM is a 69% owned subsidiary of Vingroup. That VIC is also listed on Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange. Has established itself as the leading developer in Vietnam's residential market by successfully delivering a number of developments with sizable scale. In Vietnam, VHM's market share was 49% in high-end condo segment. 2016 H1 to H1 2022, and 44% in the mid-end condo segment 2019 to H1 2022 is per CBRE. Maybe you can read the report on the screen or talking to me. The solid pre-sales outlook, attractive valuation. We reiterate our buying rating for VHM while maintaining our RNAV based target price at 107,000 Vietnam dong per share. So you can see that this time is 51,200. So the upside more than 100%. As a higher net cash balance as end of Q2 2022 is offset by our 0.5 ppt higher risk-free rate assumption. We continue to believe the company is well positioned to ride Vietnam's residential property growth story over the long run, thanks to its market-leading position, large land bank, and unique mixed-use developments. VHM's H1 2022 pre-sales performance beat our expectation thanks to strong results from the Empire 5,300 low-rise units launched for retail buyers at end April 2022, which 86% were pre-sold as of the end Q2 2022, equivalent to 49 trillion Vietnam dong as 2.1 billion US dollar. As such, we increase our 2022 forward pre-sales value forecast, excluding construction services contract value, by 9% to 90 trillion Vietnam dong as 3.9 billion US dollar, plus increasing 14% year over year, which is driven by our expectation for ongoing pre-sales of current mega projects and the new launch of the Crown, 294 hectares in Hưng Yên. We forecast 2022 forward a net profit after tax minus I of 32 trillion Vietnam dong as 1.4 billion US dollar, minus 18% compared to 2021 high base, which is mainly attributed by retail sales and bulk sales at Ocean Park, Smart City, Grand Park, and the Empire. We decreased our 2022 forecast forward a net profit after tax MI forecast by 7%, and we delay our projected revenue of recognition of the Crown and Wonder Park to start in 2023 forward, and 2022 forward as previously. We view VHM valuations as highly attractive at 2022 to 2023, with PE is 8.3 to 7.6. Base our forecast and compare our regional peer 2022 to 2023 forward PE of 11 to 10.3 and 2020 forward PB of 1.8, with a strong 2022 return on equities of 23.3%, in addition to net cash equity of 1.4% at end Q2 2022. Maybe I just read for you, and this is Vietnam English. So pleasure. Okay, now we continue. Solid unbilled booking to support 2020 forward profit outlook, despite short-term headwinds and weakened sentiment for property market. VHM reaffirmed its market leading position with H1 2022 contracted sales value of 92.5 trillion Vietnam dong as 4 billion US dollar, plus 234% year over year, including construction service contract value as a part of contract terms. In some bulk sale transaction, thanks to robust retail pre-sale at the Empire. Such VHM unbilled booking were 129.3 trillion Vietnam dong as 5.6 billion US dollar, plus 127% quarter over quarter as of end of Q2 2022. We continue expect one positive pre-sale for the Empire and the other new mega projects such as the Crown, the Wonder Park, and Co Loa, and the second completed sales at mega projects Ocean Park, Smart City, and Grand Park that have launched since 18. 6% of total units unsold at the end Q2 2022. These factors drive our forecast for VHM aggregate 2022 to 2024 forward net profit after tax MI of 105 trillion Vietnam dong as 4.6 billion US dollar. Yeah, that is really potential in the future, right? Strong pre-sale performance to strengthen VHM financial position. As of end Q2 2022, VHM cash and cash equivalents were 29.8 trillion Vietnam dong as 1.3 billion US dollar, 6.5 compare end 2021, and its net debt per equity was minus 1.4%, significantly improved from 7.8% at end 2021, which we partly attribute to the strong pre-sales at the Empire. And in addition, down payments for customers amounted to 47.3 trillion Vietnam dong at 2.06 billion US dollar. As of end Q2 2022, 6.3 compare and 2021. Okay, now we have the data. H1 2022 recap robust pre-sale with strong results at the Empire. Nearly 730 units were delivered in Q2 2022, with 83% from Ocean Park, Smart City, and Grand Park. VHM underlying property sales, including BCC and bulk sales transactions, amounted to 13.5 trillion Vietnam dong in H1 2022, as 586 million US dollar minus 65 year over year. Yeah, we will see crawl down gross profit, BBC income, other finance income, mainly attributed to deliveries at Star City Thanh Hóa, low rise, the Harmony Hanoi low rise, and the Imperial Hải Phòng low rate. A bulk sale transaction Grand Park for pre-tax gain of 3.2 trillion Vietnam dong as 138 million US dollar was recorded in Q1 2022. Yes, net profit after tax MI. Low year-over-year net profit after tax MI was mainly due to project recognition timing. Gross margin, EBIT margin, effective tax rate, net profit after tax MI margin. Okay. Schedule handovers of the empire to support H2 2022 forward earning. We can see the net revenue assumption forecast, mainly driven by bulk sale and retail sales at the Empire, Ocean Park, Smart City, and Grand Park. Forecast sales at the Empire are expected to contribute 45% to our 2022 forward revenue forecast. We revised down our 2022 forward revenue forecast as we delay our expected revenue recognition of the Crown, previously known as Dian and Wonder Park, to start in 2023 forward, previously and 2022 forward, which is partly offset by the higher revenue recognition forecast at the Empire. Leasing and other service, mainly revenue from construction service. Okay, this is our forecast for H2 2022. BBC income mainly contributed by Little Star City Thanh Hóa, Harmony Hà Nội, and Imperial Hải Phòng. The other financial, we increase our interest income forecast in accordance with H1 2022 results. A bulk sale transaction at Grand Park for pre-tax gain of 3.2 trillion Vietnam dong, US 188 million US dollar was recorded in. Maybe I already talked about, and this is the command detail of the analyst. Yeah. Here, VHM presales value. This is plan, our forecast. Reconnect financial income, BCC project, total underlying property revenue. That is forecast. Here are some design of some Vinhome project. This is Ocean Park. It's really good design. I already visited there. Fresh. As you can see in my view app back, in Ocean Park, we can see the green tree and blue sky and the ocean in front of. That is the design of Ocean Park, located in Gia Lâm, Hà Nội. That is good project. Okay, next. Smart City 260 hectares in Hanoi. This project located in the west of Hanoi. Maybe it's the distance is around 8 kilometers from Smart City to the center of Hanoi. Grand Park 271 hectares in Thủ Đức City, Hồ Chí Minh City. This project really good too. My friend live here. They are very happy to live in Grand Park. Yeah, there are many utilities. Yeah, and you can see the view and the river around Grand Park. Really good project. The Empire. Yeah. Mega Vinhome project launched in 2022 to 2023 forward. The Empire, gross area of 460 hectares, located in Van Giang, Hưng Yên province, southeast of Hanoi, and 25 minutes by car from center of Hanoi. The Empire project is nearly near the Ocean Park project. I think the distance may be 3 to 5 kilometers. Yeah. A product type 12,600 low-rise units and 24 blocks of high-rise apartments. Retail pre-sales of 5,300 units officially launched at the end of April 2022. 68% were pre-sales at the end Q2 2022. Current construction progress, landed property under construction, delivery expected to start by the end of Q3 2022. The other project, The Crown, previously known as Đại An, a gross area 294 hectares, located in Van Giang, Hưng Yên province. Vinhome Đại An, The Crown, is the third phase of Vinhome Ocean Park Super Mega Complex and is in close proximity with Vinhome Ocean Park and Vinhome The Empire. Current construction has been started. Wonder Park Hanoi, gross area 133 hectares, located in Dan Phượng district, northwest Hanoi. Sales launch expected in 2023 forward, subject to company plans and market conditions. Current construction progress in infrastructure and facilities are under construction. Another project, Cổ Loa Hanoi, gross area of 385 hectares, located in Cổ Loa, Đông Anh district, northeast Hanoi. Product type apartment, villas, shop houses, shopping mall, school, exhibition complex. Sale launch expected in 2023 forward, subject to company plans and market condition. Current construction progress. Construction has not yet started. Okay, this is something data. May I think you need to look, to take a look. Ocean Park, Smart City, Grand Park, The Empire, total. Star City, Ocean Park, Wonder Park, Symphony, The Empire, Meiji, Galaxy Green Hot Long. Okay, now we with the valuation. We derive 1 year stock price of VHM unchanged to our previous target price. We continue to derive our target price based on RNAV method. Okay, this is the table. You can look a little bit, or maybe look carefully. Actually, the offsite information, Vinhome already developed many real estate projects, such as Thăng Long project, Vinhome's Thăng Long, Vinhome Green by Vinhome Metropolis in Liễu Giai, Vinhome's Royal City, Vinhome Time City. Yeah, and I think the product of Vinhome are really good, and the service of Vinhome are really good too, and especially the price of Vinhome project. Maybe you may be surprised about the for example, if you buy one villas in Green Bay project, one villas, at that time the price is 40 billion Vietnam dong, and in 2017, and the price of that villas now up to 200 billion Vietnam dong. It takes 4 times. It takes 4 times up. So why the Vinhomes can do that? I don't know. But I believe about their products and their design, and Vinhomes service can make their client happy. Yeah, I don't know. The price, the original price from the investor from Vinhomes is not cheap, but time by time, maybe calculate by year over year, the price of that real estate grow up. For the apartment of Time City, my colleagues said that every year the middle up is 12%. 12% about the price. For example, you buy apartment with 2 billion Vietnam dong the last year, and now it grow up to 2.2 billion Vietnam dong. That is my colleague sharing. So I don't know for sure. I can say for sure, but my colleague told me sometimes, and I have some information to share with you. Okay, here we are now. Vietnam is 51,200 Vietnam dong in here, and the price target is here up to 100%. And as you know, at this time we have many money policy from the world, like Fed raise the interest rate to USD interest rate now is 3.25% to 3.5%. Yeah, it's really fast. Only 1 year, everything changed. And in Vietnam, the money policy the same. We don't support the credit growth for real estate, because the real estate price is up so fast in the last year. But the credit from the bank still allow the customer, the people who want to buy apartment in the project, the house, villas in the project. Yeah, but a little bit tight, and we have a wait and see when the bank open. I don't know how to say, but the flex the money policy need to not so tight like this time. Yeah. In Vietnam, I think the macro we are control really good, stable, with CPI, GDP growth, and this PMI. Yeah, I think it's really good. But the emotion of the people drive Vietnam price from 90,000 to 51,000 Vietnam dong per share. Maybe some people hurt. Yes, hurt. But today you have you come to my channel and see and listen this video. I think you have a good time to research about this company, and you have a good chance to buy great company with a very attractive price, really good price now. This may be good deal if you view this investment for 3 or 4 years next. I think this a really good price now. Yes, that's all about Vinhomes. If you want to find more detail, please come to the VHM website, or maybe you can connect to me. You can connect to me via my email or my here. Yes, you can chat with me via Telegram. Okay. So I'm Erica. Thanks for watching my video. I am really happy. If you would like to invest in Vietnam stock market, I can support you with a legal trading account, and the condition you have to attend it in Vietnam and open a investment bank account, and I can support you all. Okay, thank you. Vinhome is great company. Okay, back to the price movement. I already talked about the trading range. We have a bottom of trading range. So I think the support of VHM maybe it is 50,600 Vietnam dong here, and the area to movement of VHM is from 50,000 to 70,000. Here. Okay, that's it. You can accumulate VHM every month, every quarter, or every year. It depends on you and both of you, from international investor or Vietnam investor. I really would like to go with you for long-term investment. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.